I'm doing this really weird video of how to get out of toy handcuffs. I'm going to use this little piece off of a wooden, what is it called? Wooden clothespin. You can see just a little thing. Now I'm going to put down the phone really quick. That way I can get these on. And so, get set this up there. Get these behind me. Okay. You're right. Alright, now I'm going to move the phone right up here. Hopefully you can see me. And the little piece fell, so I had to get down there. Pull my chair up. Oh, sorry, my phone fell. This really is going to be a little bit long. Alright, and now I'm going to sit down. Now put your feet, like make a basketball hoop on your arm. Put your feet through it. Get the piece out of somewhere. It's slide in here. Go all the way around. To about, after you go halfway, keep on pushing. And it won't work on the first try. Well, I mean it might, but there, got it. Watch that. Get out of here. And yes, you can do it on the ground. And let's get the second one. You can really do it either way. Like turning it either way. And I'm out. Now it's time to stop the video.